Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to enable international transactions on Bluevine debit card. If you're traveling abroad or making purchases from foreign merchants, you're going to need to enable international transactions on your Bluevine debit card. Here's how to do it. First, log into your Bluevine mobile app or web portal. Then navigate to settings and select card management. Now just look for the option that's labeled international transactions and toggle the settings to on. Bluevine may ask for confirmation, so go ahead and approve the change to activate international use. If traveling, consider also enabling real-time alerts so that you're notified whenever your card is used abroad. Test your card with a small purchase once overseas just to ensure that it's working properly. With international transactions enabled, you'll have the flexibility to access funds and make purchases anywhere your Bluevine debit card is accepted. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.